Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I'm preparing lemon chicken. If you have felt like eating something healthy and also relishing it at the same time, then the best dish is chicken flavored with lemon and fresh herbs. Please refer the description section for the details about the ingredients and kindly subscribe to our channel. To start with, I'll fillet the chicken horizontally. Almost like a butterfly cut. And then I will season it with sea salt. To make sure both the sides are thoroughly covered, I'll flip it and sprinkle little more sea salt on the other side. Then I will sprinkle a generous amount of white pepper powder and then zest in half a lemon. Then it is the time to coarsely chop onion, garlic and a sprig of rosemary. Then I'll heat up little amount of olive oil in a pot and add the onion, garlic and rosemary. And I will saute only till the onion sweats. Then I'll add coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, give it a mix, and then add the filleted and the seasoned chicken breasts. Then I'll put the lid on and allow the chicken to get cooked in its own juices. And once it starts getting a brown color, I'll flip it, and then to end the dish I will add half a lime which I have squeezed it freshly, and then a small sprig of rosemary. Put the lid on and allow the chicken to absorb all the flavors. And the dish is ready for serving. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.